Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is about break falling. This is an amazing skill that every martial artist should learn. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes and click like and subscribe. And click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for your continued support, and have a great day.
Basic break falling, we're going to start with a back break fall. You're going to want a mat. Ideally, at least 6 foot. If you got 2, even better. Back break falls, we're going to start from a squatted position. You can come up on your toes. Every time you do a break fall, always tuck your chin. We're in our squat. We're going to have our hands forward, and we're just going to gently roll backwards and slam the ground, like so. Start again. Come down into your squat, tuck your chin, keep your arms bent, slam. Don't slam your arms out. This can cause pain and possibly breaks. Keep them in at 45-degree angles. Let's do it from a standing position first. So you can start standing and ease your way into your squat and your tuck of the chin. Roll down, come back up. One more time, a little faster. And that's a basic back break fall. Side break fall. So I'm going to face this way just as I explain it, and it'll make it easier if I turn around. We're going to take one arm, and this arm is connected to this leg. What we're going to do is get used to sweeping it in front of us. You're going to sweep it towards the opposite direction. As you do so, you can open this leg to get some more room, so you're not fighting against your knee and your own hip. As I swing my leg, I'm going to squat on the leg here that isn't moving. I swing, I squat, and I can gently fall. The leg that I was standing on is bent, the leg I was swinging is straight, and I'm landing on my side, not completely on my back. One more time from the front. We're gonna come from here, bring the arm and leg across, and slam the ground. Right? I'm gonna do the same direction, so it's my right arm and right leg. They're coming across, and I'm falling. Keep the chin tucked, just like a back break fall, and hit on the side. Don't hit in line with your shoulder. The front break fall is best done at first from a kneeling position. That way you can ease yourself into just being able to fall first. You're gonna create your box, keep your arms about 90 degrees, whether the wrists are in line with the elbow or slightly bent, doesn't matter. And what I'm gonna do now is I wanna rock forward. I wanna rock forward on my knees so I can get used to that. Keep this here, and as my arms are getting ready to make contact, I'm gonna put a little pressure into them. So I'm rolling, 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 slam. Same idea here, you wanna keep your chin tucked, and that force with your hand is going to prevent your head from bouncing into the floor. If these arms are too relaxed, you're going to collapse. So you want a little pressure on contact. I'll do the same thing from the side. Starting in this position, I'm going to roll forward and for my knees. If that becomes easy, we can stay kneeling and this time lurch forward instead of just staying on our knees into a plank position. So from here, as I start to move forward on my knees, I'm gonna kick off the balls of my feet. And I land in a plank. Let's do it one more time from the side. And from the front. And now, if you feel comfortable with all of those things, we go for the front break fall. So an easy level 1 from the top is start from this position, bend your knees, kick forward. I'll do it from the side. So you do a little squat and you're gonna shoot forward and land on the balls of your feet. You shouldn't flop, your hips shouldn't bounce. You should land rigid here. And that's how to do a front break.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.